This short video introduces you to our range of hanging safari wash bags. These wash bags can be hung in a backwoods cabin, on a tent pole, on the walls of a tented bathroom, or even on the branch of a tree in the open. They can also be propped up on a table if there is nowhere to hang them. The fold is designed to protect the large mirror during transport or when on safari. They are made out of khaki or olive green ripstop canvas, and the small pouches are edged by pure leather. We have three basic designs which are illustrated at the end of this short video. Here the unit is being hung on a tent pole, opened up and attached to the pole at the back to prevent it swinging in the wind. This is the unit with one folding shelf being folded up for transport. The two-shelf unit is being opened up for use. Finally, this unique wash bag can be set up as a freestanding item using the closing strap to adjust the angle of the mirror. And so here they all are. The two-shelf unit, the one-shelf unit, unit with two identical sets of pouches and no shelf. The unit is a freestanding item.